So, if the measure of angle 2 is x plus 115 degrees, and the measure of angle 7 is 145 degrees. So, what is the value of x? The exact measure of angle 2, the exact measure of angle 4, and the exact measure of angle 5. To find the exact measure of this angle, so we're going to find first the value of x. Step 1, identify the relationship of the given measurement. Okay, so the given measurements are for angle 2 and angle 7. Okay, first question. What is the relationship of angle 2 and angle 7? Mabasa? Alternate interior angles. And what can you say about the measurement of alternate interior, Pabelyor? They are congruent. So meaning, we can say that the measure of angle 2 is equal to the measure of angle 7. After that, step number 2, substitute the measurement. So what do you think is the measure of angle 2? X plus 115 degrees. And the measure of angle 7? 145 degrees. Then after that, step 3, simplify. How to simplify? By combining the like curves. So what are the like curves? 145 and 115. O, transpose what number? Going to the, what will be the sign? Okay, magiging minus na siya. 145 degrees minus 115 degrees. O, subtract. 145 minus 115. Therefore, the value of x is 30. Next, after getting the value of x, what's next na po? Find the exact measure of angle 2. Oh, to find the exact measure of angle 2, just substitute the value of x here. This will become 30 plus 115 degrees. So 30 plus 115, 145 degrees. Okay, since angle anak ang kinukuha natin, don't forget to write the degrees. Again, angle 2 is congruent to angle. What is the measure of angle 2? Okay, therefore, angle 7 is also, they are equal. Therefore, the value of x is correct. Then after that, what's next? Find the exact measure of angle 4. Let us identify the relationship na anak. So, ang mga binigay na measurement ay kay angle 2, kay angle 7. After getting the exact measure of angle 2, let us proceed by the measure of angle 4. Okay, question. What is the relationship of angle 2 and angle 4? Another hand, Jess Villanueva. Linear, pair. And what can you say about the measurement? They are supplementary, meaning the sum of angle 2 and angle 4 is equal to 180 degrees. Eh, meron na tayo anak, ang sukat ni angle 2 ay 145 degrees. How to find the exact measure of angle 4? Very good. Just subtract 145 dito sa 180 degree. What is the exact measure of angle 4? Okay, very good. The exact measure of angle 4 is 35 degrees. Why? Because 180 degree minus 145 degree is 35 degrees. Question? Okay, next, let us proceed now by the angle 5. Oh, pwede natin gamitin sa angle 5 anak tatlo. Pwedeng si angle 5 and angle 7. They are linear pair. Pwede rin po si 4 at 5. Pinakamadali. What is the relationship of 4 and 5? Alternate interior angle. And what can you say about the measurement? Okay, now, if the measure of angle 4 is 35 degree, we can say that the measure of angle 5 is what? Very good. 35 degrees also. Perfect. Okay, so